My name's Ozma Vesna, and I'm the President and Vice Chancellor of Algoma University. Every position has held fairly significant challenge. When I was a very young leader of a high school, I remember being one of the youngest staff coming into a new building that was really struggling with some of the cultural issues that organizations often do. And really, looking at me as who's this person coming in that's going to kind of fix our organization. And I remember being really nervous about it and thinking, how are they going to accept me? Every leadership experience that you have, you build off the ones that you've already had previously. And so I think today, I really stand pretty firm on things like equity and diversity, on making sure people are treated well. And I'm not afraid to challenge, bad behaviors in an organization. And I think people know what I do stand for as a leader. For me, it's been about resonating with people, empowering people that want to make good change happen for the organization, getting behind really good ideas and letting the team just go with it, right? Lots of questions, absolutely, but really it's the people in the organization that make change happen. And I think what I've learned is, as a good leader, you just figure out a way to make it happen. And Algoma University is really having exceptional success right now, and it is really being driven by the entire community. And so what this means to me is I've done my job as a leader by empowering other leaders to really lead incredible change for our community. Just a bit of advice to a woman that is thinking about a leadership role is go for it. What I find with a lot of women is they'll second guess. They second guess whether they're ready. They question whether their family will be okay handling and juggling multiple responsibilities. And there are lots of ways to put those support pieces into your life and still be able to have a really fulsome career, family life, and personal life. So I think, finding women role models that you really resonate with as an upcoming leader and asking them for advice, or how did you do it? What's your story? Would you share it with me?